Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today, in our 8th video in the U.S. Highway 11 series, we begin at Mississippi Mile 85 as we enter the city of Ellisville. As we enter Ellisville from the south on Highway 11, we pass through the Howard Technology Park, which includes the headquarters of Howard Technology Solutions, manufacturing products such as desktops, notebooks, servers, kiosks, and medical carts to partner products from other leading technology innovators such as Lenovo, HP, and Microsoft. Also in the park is PG Technologies, a joint venture between Praxair Surface Technologies Incorporated and GE Aviation, focusing on the development, support, and application of specialized coatings tailored for GE Aviation's current and future engine platforms. Ellisville is the first county seat of Jones County and had a population of 4,652 as of the 2020 census. In the early 19th century, Ellisville had become the major commercial and population center in Jones County, but by 1900, Laurel had become the center of the timber industry and cotton textile mills and soon had 6 times the population of Ellisville. As a result, Jones County is split into 2 judicial districts, with the second county seat and courthouse in Laurel just to the northeast. We cross back to the west side of I-59 here, and US 11 takes on the name of Ellisville Boulevard, even though we're well outside the Ellisville city limits. But it seems to be the name given to the portion of US 11 that connects Ellisville and Laurel. Here we pass through the unincorporated community of Walters, which was centered around a drive-in theater off of the corner of US 11 and Burnt Bridge Road. The drive-in ceased to exist sometime in the early to mid-1980s, and the property is now occupied by an oil field drilling operation. We enter the city of Laurel, and we'll conclude today's video here at mile 93.5 so we can cover all of US 11 through Laurel in one video. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you can help support our channel and receive special perks. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.